Hi, this is Shivakumar. Today I'm going to explain how the Bootstrap works and how to do a login and registration simple web page application using Bootstrap, jQuery, and HTML and CSS. First, in previous video I showed how to download jQuery. Today I'm going to show how to download and add the Bootstrap features into the application. Bootstrap. Just want to search Bootstrap here. Powerful business. When you go here, click on the first link of this here. If you click on this link, and it will be open like this, it will be very less few MB. It will be downloaded very quick. And after this, I'm going to open it as a show in folder. It will be shown like this. And after this, you need to extract it like this, and you need to have two files within that, like CSS and JavaScript. I'm showing like this. It should looks like this. And I have done one validation also for a login and registration. It will take everything, should contain, and it should show. I enter show like this. Show. Then second name should be yes, and name should be yes at gmail.com, and password should be. This is the password, and login registration is successful. It's showing, and I'm going to add the validation for this now. Like, it should not take my name, and it should take only one. Like, it should block the name of me. For example, if I tell Shiv Kumar that name should be blocked, like that, I'm going to code now. Look at this. This is the code of that program, like index page, and I'm gonna upload it to the GitHub, this file, don't worry. Then I'm going to for the function, and I have explained all these codes in my previous video, and this is how I'm going to work now. And I'm going to copy this entire code, and I'm gonna paste this code here only within this statement only. I'm gonna paste this, and here I'm gonna, like, if name should not equal to my name, and it should be Shiv, and this f name should not be, and I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna remove this one root, and then, and it should not be equal to, my name in capital letter, not equal to capital capital letters of my name. And if it, within that, if it happened, then it should print as this user is blocked. This user is blocked. This suggestion is given by my friend, so I'm implementing this one for you people convenience. I'm gonna refresh this page, and if I show, and you can see this user is blocked, and I'm gonna enter my name in the caps letter, and you can see, still you can see this user is blocked. And thank you for watching this. I'm going to do more videos on this jQuery HTML Bootstrap, and I've done, I also uploaded Java Angular videos. Please check out my YouTube uh, page, and my YouTube link is here, Keshav Kumar. I have done Java Angular projects too. You can visit this page, so you can find any project. If you have any suggestion, you can uh, text me here. I will give projects and suggestion for your projects. Thank you.